Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Daily Stock Analysis. I would like to use the technical analysis to help you understand the stock market. So today is June 20th, Tuesday. My topic is Tech PE ratio is all-time high. Nasdaq volatility shall be watched. So now let's go to the market. The SP 500 today goes down 0.47% to 43.88. From the daily chart, we can see the price goes back to a 5 daily moving average and leaving a gap above on the top. So if you can see the MACD, the MACD is in a golden cross. It indicates a bullish trend. The KDJ is in a death cross, which means there are selling pressure on the top. So in the future, you will see the stock price will consolidate on the top of 5 daily moving average. If you can see the 30 minutes chart, there's a big gap on the top. So in the future, the stock price may go up to fill the gap and consolidate. But eventually, it may crash, pull back down to 250 daily moving average. So just be careful. And its MACD is below zero. It shows a weakness of the stock price. So pretty much we can see from 30 minutes chart, the SP 500 is pretty much bearish. Let's check the PE ratio of the whole market. Right now, the PE ratio is 28.2, which is above 26.8, a 10-year average, which means the stock is overvalued. Now let's go back to the VIX. Today VIX is down 2%. It goes to 13.88, and we can see the price is consolidated around 5 daily moving average, and its 20 daily moving average has a downward trend. So which means right now it's a low fear environment. The whole market is pretty much bullish. Let's go back to the tech, the Nasdaq. So we can see the MACD of Nasdaq is still in a golden cross. It's a bullish trend. Today, the price is stand above 5 daily moving average. But we can see its KDJ. The KDJ is in a death cross, which means there are a lot of selling pressure from the top. So the Nasdaq may keep going upward, but you will feel that selling pressure is more and more. Let's check the PE ratio of technology. Right now, the technology has an all-time high PE ratio. It's 45.2. This is crazy. It's a lot more than 28.5 a 10-year PE ratio of technology companies. What does it mean? It means that a full-blown correction may occur in the near future, but we don't know when. But the Nasdaq volatility index may tell you the day that the Nasdaq can get crashed. You can see today the Nasdaq volatility goes up 2% to 19.95. Right now it stands above 5 daily moving average and 20 daily moving average. If the price stay above these two lines, it may accumulate momentum, and when the 50 daily moving average goes down, the price will consolidate, and finally one day it will spike, goes up, and that day the technology, the Nasdaq, will have the correction. This situation occurred just 2 years ago. Let me show you. Yeah, in 2020, September, as the Nasdaq goes up and up, and Nasdaq volatility keep rising. Finally, in September the 3rd, the Nasdaq crashed. It corrected 5% in a day. The price just directly go back to the 20 daily moving average. So you should be careful. And for the next few days, you have to watch closely of the Nasdaq volatility index. If it has like bullish bar every single day, and finally it will spike. Okay, right now let's go back to a single stock. Let me show you Tesla. Tesla is in a bullish rally, right? The price stand above 5 daily moving average. What does it tell you? It's overbought. But how? We can use RSI to show the Tesla. Right now, the RSI, the slow line reached to 90. Right? It was 91 3 days ago. Right now, it keeps staying above 90. This situation also happened in 2021, November. Right? When the price goes up, the RSI goes to 92. And it stay above 90 for a couple of days. And finally, 1 week later, the price collapsed. A single day, it goes down 5%. So you have to be very careful for the next few trading days. This week, the RSI may stay above 90, but for next week, the selling pressure may be high, and finally, it can collapse. Now, let me show you about another technology sector. semiconductors. For the semiconductor, you can see the price is stay below 5 daily moving average, right? And its MACD is staying maintain a golden cross, but its KDJ is dead cross. If the price keep staying below 5 daily average, it will make the MACD to have a death cross. And at that time, it will lose its momentum to go upward, and it will consolidate around 5 daily moving average. When it consolidates, the Nasdaq will lose the upward trend. And finally, when both MACD and KDJ have a death cross, it will go down, pull back to 20 daily moving average. For another sector, which is economic related, for energy sector, you can see today the energy sector goes down 2%. When you see the bearish bar here, it goes below 250 daily moving average. It still has a momentum to go down. But what I suggest is you buy deep. Buy when the price goes low. When the price get close to the yearly moving average, which is 75, it will be a best time to buy the energy sector. Because what I expect, the market will have a sector rotation. The money will go from Nasdaq and back to the economy-related sectors, such as energy, industrial, and material. So the energy sector is the next sector you may want to buy. Okay, this is what I would like to say today. If you like my video, please subscribe and leave a comment. I may answer your questions. Thank you for supporting me to do this channel. See you next time.